This video will show you how to create a multiple choice question interaction in Storyline. A multiple choice question is fairly common and you must all have used it with your students or answered it yourself countless times. Nonetheless, I am defining it here so that you know exactly what we shall be doing. So in a multiple choice question, you give your users multiple options to answer the question and they have to choose either one or many correct answers as applicable. Also, to keep it simple, in this example, we shall use only text-based questions and answer options to create the interaction. Otherwise, you can use shapes and pictures, etc. as your answer choices. So, in this first two slides, I have already created the two types of multiple choice interactions. If you preview the slides from here, it shows how the interaction works. So as you see, there is a simple question with 5 answer choices. The question text as well as those squares indicate that multiple answer options are correct. Let's try answering this question. So a polygon with 4 sides is a square, a trapezoid, and a rectangle. Okay, let's submit the answer. And yes, the answer is correct as the message indicates. So let's move on and try the next interaction, the next slide. So over here we have another type of multiple choice question with only one correct answer this time. Let's try to answer this question. It asks to choose a polygon with 3 sides. Let's choose the wrong answer this time. Say square and click submit. So you see the feedback has changed and now it shows that the answer wasn't correct. Okay, so this is how the interaction is supposed to work. Let's close this preview and try to create it from scratch. To do that, you will need to insert a question slide by clicking here in the Insert tab and then selecting Quizzing. You now need to select either a multiple choice question or a multiple response question. You already saw the difference between the two types of questions in the preview. In the multiple choice question, user can select only one right answer, while in a multiple response question, users can select multiple answers, right answers. So let's create a multiple response question for now by clicking here. The process to create multiple choice is exactly the same. There isn't any difference. You just need to select this particular slide from here, slide type from here. So a new slide will be created. In this new slide, you need to type in your question and answer options in this space provided here. Let's use the question from the first interaction. So the question in which polygons have 4 sides and 5 answer choices: trapezoid, rectangle, triangle, square, and pentagon. Let me type that in. All right, once this question and answer text is ready, just mark the answers, right answer, so that Storyline knows how to judge your user's response. You can also change the feedback and number of marks allotted to your question by changing these settings over here. And a few other options are also available to change interaction behavior on top over here. If you want to know more about these options, please check the microlearning modules available under concepts on form options. Alright, so let's preview our interaction now. As you see, the interaction works as we described it earlier. This is the most basic form of multiple choice interaction, and you can have several different variations to make it more effective and engaging. I hope you try it and post your interactions in the examples and comments section below.